Suppose you are full busy. So there are two worst kind of thing. Wife is working, husband is working, the kids are in the small hostels kind of thing, play schools kind of thing. Okay, morning to evening. Can you please imagine once?
Yes, sir.
Next, wife is working, husband is working. They are leaving the kids, okay, at a mother's place or at a father's place, either mother-in-law, okay, or father-in-law. There, they are going to keep the kids, and these people are doing because money is important. నాలుగు రాళ్ళు వెనకేసుకుంటే తర్వాత లైఫ్ బాగుంటుంది. If you earn some amount, then our next life will be too good. That's why just until so just 1 or 2 years, okay, kid. Now the kid is okay, right? Leave this kid at okay, grandmother or grandfather. They are going to take care this kid. Let me full busy while earning, getting the money. Very recently, my sister made a proposal. Do you know my brother-in-law is working person there. My sister is also got the job. She's going to work. Just a baby girl. How many months, man? 14 months or 15 months. She want to send that baby girl to the India because small kid. How you are going to live? So without this small kid, how you can stay? Like I asked her. Anna, we have some loans are there because we took that property. Okay, once that loans got cleared, then automatically, okay, we can, okay, then we won't have any problem at all. This is the statement my own sister told just 1 month before. I strongly objected. Observe that. So these type of things, how many times you heard these type of statements in your family, man? In your relationships, in your relation? Multiple times, right?
Multiple times, sir. Yeah, for me, my in-laws told send the kid. I did not actually.
Don't. Hey, your kid is small. At the beginning, at this age, more affection, more love, more care, all those things we record. Habit is being parents, man. Just for the sake of money. So I attended one seminar very recently. Wonderful point I want to share with you people, of course. So upcoming parents also you can listen, no problem at all. Upcoming parents also you can listen, no issue at all. Okay, wonderful statement. I had taken one seminar, I attended, one expert person suggested like anything. If your kids are settled well, they won't require single paisa of your earnings. I hope you can understand my point. If your kids are settled well, they won't require single paisa of your earnings. They will earn more. Okay? If your kids are not settled well, they became waste kind of people. All your earnings, whatever you saved for years by spending your total life, single paisa, without remaining single paisa, they will eat like anything. They will complete like anything. In Telugu, I can tell wonderfully because that statement got in Telugu only. మీ పిల్లలు ప్రయోజకులు అయితే మీరు సంపాదించిన దాంట్లో సింగిల్ పైసా కూడా వాళ్ళకి అవసరం లేదు. మీ పిల్లలు కనుక ఎదవలయ్యారనుకో, మీరు ఎన్ని వేల కోట్లు సంపాదించినా సింగిల్ పైసా కూడా మిగిల్చరు. ఓకే, సో వెదర్ యు ఆర్ ఎర్నింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఎర్నింగ్, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. గివ్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ టు మేక్ యువర్ కిడ్స్ యాస్ too good to settle there in their life. Are you getting my point right? Maybe in the perfect way I may not narrate, but are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So whether you earn 100 crores also, now observe that. Just now, central minister, how that person is regret about his kid. Can you please imagine once? Spend the time with your kids. Spend the time with your family. make sure your main thing is you have to make them successful in their life. So you can arrange one cook, or you can arrange one sweeper, or you can arrange one assistant. Get some free time to spend with them. Get some free time for them. That's most important. Even some $1,000 or even some amount, okay, because of this, some amount you are missing, no problem at all. This is more worthy. This is more important.